Part 3 of my key components of all my physics posts. We are doing some specifics. The universe contains 0.05% of stars and planets and 70% of dark energy. That's analogous to a smidgen of dust in a massive dark energy wind. The mass of the universe comes from photons converting to electron-positron pairs in pair conversion. The energy of the universe comes from electrons and positrons annihilating and converting into photons. The electron and the positron have opposite charges to drive them to connect and annihilate back to being photons that created them. The universe is 5% matter from electrons and positrons and 70% dark energy force from photons. The universe has two forces, electromagnetic force connected to matter, and dark energy, a force of expansion connected to empty space. Dark energy is an anti-gravity-like force pushing from empty space. Dark energy forces all matter to move and resists any matter that accelerates. This is the current of the universe. Dark matter is not gravity from invisible matter pulling, but more likely dark energy expanding and pushing from empty space. Dark energy expands more in empty space than in matter. Dark energy has the power to separate galaxies and to push apples to the ground. Massive voids in space have round shapes because dark energy is pushing out in all directions. The force from the Big Bang singularity was photons, vacuum energy, dark energy. They are all connected. The infinities problem is not a problem but a clue to why vacuum energy is so much greater than dark energy. Gravity and electromagnetic force can't connect up. Dark energy and anti-gravity-like force and the electromagnetic force can connect up. Dark energy both pushes mass forward and resists acceleration of mass. Gravity is not caused by acceleration, but by the resistance of dark energy to acceleration. Galileo and Newton's math works just as well for either gravity pulling matter together or in reverse for dark energy pushing from empty space. Time has speed limits from 0 up to the speed of light. The universe is open-ended and should continue to expand. There may be two universes, this one of space-time and one of photons outside of space-time that preceded space-time and created it. Thank you for reading. There are posts or videos on most of these separate ideas. Feel free to share my posts.